Have you ever wondered how millions of Mr. Beast Feastables chocolate bars are made every year in massive automated factories? The process begins when high-quality cocoa beans arrive at the factory from carefully selected farms around the world. Before production starts, every shipment is thoroughly inspected to ensure it meets strict quality standards.
Use detonate of repressurers. The cocoa beans are then cleaned using advanced machines that remove dust, stones, and other impurities.
Next, automated sorting systems separate the beans to guarantee consistent quality throughout the production process. The selected beans are roasted at carefully controlled temperatures to develop their rich chocolate flavor. Roasting is a critical stage that helps create the deep aroma and taste found in premium chocolate. After roasting, the beans are cracked open and their outer shells are separated from the valuable cocoa nibs. The cocoa nibs are then ground into a thick liquid known as chocolate liquor, the foundation of all chocolate products. This rich liquid chocolate moves through a network of stainless steel pipes toward the next stage of production. Large industrial mixers combine the chocolate liquor with carefully measured ingredients such as sugar.
Powerful mixers ensure every batch achieves a perfectly balanced flavor and texture.
The mixture is then refined through specialized rollers that reduce particles to an incredibly fine size. This refining process gives the chocolate its smooth and creamy mouthfeel. Next comes conching, a process that continuously mixes and aerates the chocolate for several hours. Conching enhances flavor, removes unwanted moisture, and creates a more luxurious texture. The chocolate then enters the tempering stage, where it is heated and cooled with extreme precision. Advanced tempering machines carefully heating and cooling chocolate, stainless steel machinery. Tempering gives Feastables chocolate its glossy finish, firm snap, and smooth consistency. Once ready, the liquid chocolate is poured into specially designed molds by automated production systems. Gentle vibrations remove trapped air bubbles and ensure every mold is filled evenly. The molds then enter long cooling tunnels where the chocolate gradually hardens into its final shape. Temperature and timing are carefully controlled to maintain the perfect texture and appearance. After cooling, the finished chocolate bars are automatically released from their molds. Thousands of bars move down the conveyor system every hour with remarkable precision. Advanced inspection cameras scan every chocolate bar for defects or imperfections. Any product that fails inspection is removed automatically to maintain high-quality standards. Approved bars are wrapped at high speed using automated packaging machines. The packaged bars are then grouped into cartons and prepared for distribution. From the factory, millions of Feastables bars are shipped to stores and customers across the country. And that is how Mr. Beast Feastables chocolate bars are transformed from cocoa beans into a finished product enjoyed by millions around the world.